Jordan's stormy banks I stand, cast a wishful eye.
The Canary is a historical thriller about a gold panner named Orville Combs. Orville's come to California at the height of the gold rush, but soon discovers he's come a little too late. To really make it rich, he's going to have to take a much bigger leap of faith and buy a mine. But mining is dangerous and without guarantee. Some miners have made fortunes, but far more have died trying. The Canary explores the danger of taking a risk versus the danger of not, and the chances that we're willing to take in order to realize our dreams.
There's something about Orville that reminds me very much of an Ahab type, someone who's becomes a little bit obsessed with that white whale, the gold, the next best thing.
I find the story to be special. I find it to be something that's worth fighting for, and we would love your support.
So please donate, get the word out, and help us bring the Canary to life.